Check out this fresh take on a Smash Captain.
Spiky Bits.
Welcome back, Hobby Maniacs. I'm Baer from SpikyBits.com, and we're taking a look at Wargame Exclusive's new Blood Angels, or not Blood Angel releases for the tabletop. These are great, and it's a really cool take on a Smash Captain. Of course, they have a model called the Blood Master too, which I guess is their take on kind of like a Chapter Master sort of thing. Let's jump over to Wargame Exclusive because they're a little bit more expensive than their normal models. You know, anywhere around 15 to 20 euros. These are a little bit more, but let's take a look at why. Here's Wargame Exclusive site, and you can see some of the new releases from the summer there on the header, and there's the new Imperial Bloodmaster and the Smash Captains too. You can find them under the Space Warrior section right here, and here they all are ready to add to cart. So you've got two different versions of the Smash Captain. They're both 29.99 euros. And a Blood Master as well. So a little bit more expensive than, you know, like the Assassins and stuff we've shown you in the past, but right on par with their other larger kind of Primaris sized models that we have seen come out in, you know, the last year or so, give or take. But I mean, the time is now, and it's really cool to see these coming from them. And maybe we'll see, because Smash Captains are still a thing for all the flavors of Space Marines out there. Maybe we'll see more generic ones in the near future. But let's take a look at these right now on the table over here. So if you haven't ordered for Wargame Exclusive before, they're going to come in a blister pack similar to this. Here's one of the Smash Captain variants here. So you're going to get some parts, and sometimes they'll be a little baggy in here with additional smaller breakable stuff, and then you'll see a base as well. So it's all generally pretty well contained inside this blister pack. If you're a retailer and this is something you want to carry, they do have wholesale options, so you can contact them about getting these on your shelf, because, you know, for the price, it's generally about what most folks will have in their pocket when they come down to the game store to play or to pick something up, hopefully. So here is the Blood Master himself. This is the Chapter Master, air quotes, and well, in true Wargame Exclusive fashion, there is no lack of detail on this model for sure, and it's very ornate, very baroque. Even the base itself has its fair share of skulls and ruined things all over, and of course he's jumping down from the top rope. Got a very dynamic look right there. Great looking close combat weapon, and some sort of pistol that could probably be a Melta or a Flamer, pretty much whatever you need it to be. As far as conversion bits goes, you know, the backpack's separate, the head's separate, the arms are separate. So you could, in theory, kit bash in with some other stuff, or maybe even Primaris Space Marines to create your ultimate Smash Captain or Chapter Master or Chaplain, maybe. It just kind of depends on what you need. And here are the Blood Captains themselves. So definitely different poses and kind of going in the same direction or the opposite direction depending on which way you pose them, but just to give you an idea of which one's which. So this one I think is probably the more dynamic of the two, just kind of standing on a piece of rubble with these ridiculous thunder hammers. I love these thunder hammers. They are just out of control and so cool looking. And then, of course, Storm Shield or Shield. Now, a lot of people do run just a Chainsword nowadays because if you die, who cares? You do have an Iron Halo, so you got a 4-up. But if you die, you get to swing again, so why not have an extra attack? I guess. Just a rando attack you could have. But I guess that's what everybody seems to be running to save on points for the Storm Shield. But with normal Space Marines, Thunderhammer's going up in points now in 2019. Who knows what the future holds? But either way, they definitely are still a thing in Warhammer 40k, in all the Marine Legions. And this guy has no shortage of detail. I mean, look at that very, very ornate and very, very Blood Angel-y jump pack right there. I mean, it could be anything, but I think they did a very good job with it right there, combining you know, some organic looking elements to be mechanical there. As you can see, all the trim and everything on the back, and the hammer's just great. The, you know, all of the armor and everything looks really good. And then this guy, well, I mean, depending on which one, I don't know which one's my favorite now that I'm looking at both of them, really, right? So this guy looks pretty good, like he's kind of pushing the shield wall sort of thing. And of course, he also has a ridiculous thunder hammer right there. Same jump pack, so that thing's pretty cool, very baroque, very ornate, very Blood Angel-y from the Master Artisans on Ball, except no substitutes. And then, you know, just normal stuff going on in here. No lack of detail because it is a Wargame exclusive miniature, and they always knock it out of the park right there. So as far as how do these compare to other models out there? Well, here's your Primaris Space Marine. So you're looking at the same, if not bigger. I mean, obviously in an elevated position, but a little bit chunkier, so to speak. And same with this one right here. Definitely the same, if not a little chunkier. And the captain, or the Bloodmaster, is very similar as well. So right on point with what you would expect from a character level in the far future, where there is only Smash Captains, it seems like these days. So that is it for this one. 3 new great looking releases for the Wargame exclusive line to help supplement your counts as needs in Warhammer 40k right there. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be the very first to like and comment on all our videos.